Nissan 370, we end up installing the kill switch. To on the system, you're gonna hit lock on the fob. Okay. At this point, if somebody tries to clone the factory remote or whatever, they won't be able to start the vehicle. Okay. All right. And then when you get back inside the vehicle, if you want it to start, you're gonna hit the unlock here, and then the car will crank right up. All right. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. This is on a Nissan 370. We do have mobile service, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead. Anybody out of state, you give us a call. We do have the DIY kits that we provide you, and you can get it done yourself. We ship it to you, and then we'll provide you with the installation video. It's a full wire hookup, and the video will be exactly on the 370. We never had anybody wasn't able to complete the installation. The numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And this is the DIY kits for the Nissan 370 kill switch. Again, I'll show you how it works. You're gonna hit lock. Car won't start. Okay. And then you hit unlock, and then the car will crank right up. All right. Again, the numbers is 305-298-4814.